Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone screen won't rotation not working on iPhone like iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max and iPhone older models. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, turn off portrait orientation lock on your iPhone. So for this turn off, tap on open control center here. So here is the lock option, to tap to turn this off. So after turning this off, so guys, the next solution is force quit the iOS apps. So open, close all apps here. So after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen. So guys, the next solution is turn off display zoom view. So if you are using display zoom, so turn this off. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on display and brightness, scroll down, tap on view. So guys, if you are using display zoom like larger text, so tap on the default and tap on done here. So after this, so the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, only reset, no data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings here. So this will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings here. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone rotation issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.